Parama Karuna Pahundi Jana Nitai Gaura Chandra Lord Nitai and Lord Gaurachandra are very merciful. They are the essence of all incarnations. The specific significance of these incarnations is that they introduced a process of chanting and dancing that is simply joyful. My dear brothers, I request that you just worship Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda with firm conviction, everyone, and faith. If one wants to be Krishna conscious by this process, one has to give up his engagement in sense gratification, become absorbed in worshipping Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda, and simply chant Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, without any material motive. Just try to examine this. Within the three worlds, there is no one like Lord Chaitanya or Lord Nityananda. Their merciful qualities are so great that upon hearing them, even birds and beasts and stones melt. But I, Lochan Das, regret that I am entrapped by sense gratification. I have no attraction for the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda, and therefore Yamaraj, the superintendent of death, is punishing me for not allowing me to be attracted by this movement. Parama Karuna Pahundi Jana Nitai Gaurachandra Sabhavatar Sarashiramani Kevalaya Nandakanda Bajo Bajo Bhai Chaitanya Nitai Sudrida Vishvasa Kori Vishaya Chadiya Shera Semajiya Mukhe Bolo Hari Hari Dekore Bai Bhuvane Emon Adhuya Gatata Dekore Bai Chaitanya Joyala Pashupati Sure Pashana Vidare Nejaruna Bhata Shamshare Madhya Rohili Polya Se Pore Nahi Loasha Apana Karama Vanjaye Shamana Koe Lochana Dasa Parama Karuna Pahundi Nitai Gaurachandra Jaya Gaura Nitai, Gaura Nitai, Jaya Gaura Nitai. Jai Gaura Premanande Haribo.